Hey folks, Captain Dave Peros for Salty Cape here at Rock Harbor in New Orleans. This is a small ramp. Doesn't get used a ton, mainly because it is really a very shoal ramp and the channel getting in and out of here is difficult. This is the home of the famous Rock Harbor charter fleet. These larger boats go out twice a day. They do 2 trips. Typically, they fish quite a bit up around Billingsgate. They'll go up around Wellfleet. Some of them will run as far down as Barnstable. The fishing is slow around here. Fish some of really good water around here. You've got the Brewster Flats. Again, some good sight fishing and some good bass fishing down that way. Kind of what's cool about this place is kind of out of the way. It doesn't have a ton of amenities. You don't have a float here, so you're really going to have someone assist you, be able to be in the boat and kind of get out of here or bring it up on the beach. But you have to be careful because of low water. It is, like I said, it is extremely tidal dependent. Not a ton of things to do around here. Some cool little antique places. You're pretty close to Orleans Center. But overall, as I said, it's limited. And generally you're not going to have a ton of problems with parking. But kind of one of those places where for some reason, if you just want to stay away from the crowded boat ramps, it's one you can consider.